Walter Wright's AI versus Turnitin. So Walter Wright's AI is an AI-powered platform that combines both detection and humanization of AI-generated text. So the pros of it is it has state-of-the-art AI detection with accuracy near Turnitin's level. It also has a built-in humanizer which rewrites text to significantly lower AI detection scores. So basically, it aims to mimic Turnitin-style AI detection. It also has a simple one-click detection and rewriting workflow, and it has a real-world test which showed humanization scores from AI have been reduced to detected almost 100% human. However, there are some cons to consider. It's not foolproof, there are some customer service errors, and the user experience are mixed. Now, Turnitin, on the other hand, is the industry standard plagiarism and AI detection tool used widely in academic institutions. It analyzes writing patterns and compares against a massive database of submissions. So the pros of Turnitin is it has licenses and protections against academic integrity across 16,000 institutions. It is also designed to detect AI-generated patterns via linguistic modeling. It's also backed by a legacy use trusted by educators. The cons of it though is the accuracy is not perfect. There are also some false positive and false negatives occurs. And it's not designed for rewriting content, only detecting, so users cannot use it to humanize AI writing. So overall, choose Walter Wright's AI if you need strong AI detection plus a built-in tool to humanize AI-generated text. And then choose Turnitin if you're focused solely on maintaining academic integrity.